Welcome to Interiors by TA, where we transform your spaces into sophisticated sanctuaries. Ever walk into a high-end space and wonder, how can I get this look without breaking the bank? Today, we're diving into the top 10 styling secrets that will give your home a sophisticated, luxurious feel, all for under $100. These aren't just quick fixes, they're timeless tips that elevate any room. Let's get started. Secret 1. Upgrade with statement pillows. Start with a classic designer trick, statement pillows. A few bold, oversized pillows in rich, textured fabrics, like velvet, linen, or even faux fur, can completely change the feel of your sofa or bed. Instead of flat, uniform cushions, go for a mix of sizes and shapes. This is a great way to experiment with colors and textures, bringing depth and dimension to your space. And here's a quick tip. If you're going to fill your couch with pillows, make sure they're actually comfortable. No one wants to dig through a mountain of pillows just to find a spot to sit. So, the pillows add texture. But what about creating ambiance? Let's move on to the next secret. Secret 2. Layer in ambient lighting. Lighting isn't just about function. It's one of the most effective ways to elevate a room's mood. Rather than relying solely on overhead lighting, invest in ambient options like table lamps, wall sconces, or soft LED bulbs for that gentle, inviting glow. You don't need to spend much to add warmth and sophistication. Look for warm-toned bulbs, around 2,700K, to create a cozy, relaxed vibe. A strategically placed floor lamp by your sofa or a small, elegant lamp on a side table can draw focus to certain areas, making the room feel curated and inviting. But lighting is just one way to add depth. For a true designer touch, we need to bring in something more organic. Secret 3. Add a touch of greenery. Plants have a way of bringing life into a room. Whether it's a potted snake plant, a couple of succulents, or a vase of fresh eucalyptus, greenery adds vibrancy and makes the space feel more alive and balanced. Choose plants based on your light availability. Low-maintenance options like snake plants or ZZ plants are perfect if you don't have a green thumb. And if you're limited on space, even a small shelf can house trailing vines like pothos. Faux plants work as well. Just make sure they're high quality to keep the look natural. And remember, a plant only adds beauty if it's alive. So make sure you pick a plant you can actually keep healthy. So now we've added life to the room, but what about creating a sense of height? Let's keep going. Secret 4. Hang curtains, high and wide. Hanging curtains just above your window? Let's take them up a notch. Hanging your curtains higher, closer to the ceiling, makes the window look larger and the room feel taller. For a real transformation, place the rod a few inches outside the window frame to create a more open and dramatic look. Opt for simple, neutral curtains or sheer fabrics if you want an airy feel. You'll be amazed at how this simple trick opens up your space, giving it that designer touch without much effort. Height is important, but so is creating interest at eye level. Let's move on to the next secret. Secret 5. Curate your wall art. Framed art on the wall brings personality and character to a room. And you don't need expensive pieces to make an impact. Look for affordable prints online, or even frame unique items like pressed flowers, fabrics, or travel postcards. Create a small gallery wall by mixing frames in different sizes and shapes. Stick to a color theme to keep the look cohesive, but add variety with your art choices. This arrangement can add a lot of visual interest, making your walls feel dynamic and personal. Wall art creates focus, but mirrors can do even more. Let's take a look at the next styling secret. Secret 6. Add mirrors for dimension and light. A well-placed mirror does wonders for a space. Mirrors reflect light, making rooms feel brighter and larger. They're ideal for small or dim spaces where you want to create the illusion of more space. Choose a mirror with a unique frame to add character, or go with a simple frameless style if you want it to blend in. Place it opposite a window to double the natural light, or near an entryway to make your home feel welcoming. Plus, they're great for that last-minute outfit check before you dash out the door. Secret 7. Add texture with throws and blankets. A textured throw can bring warmth, texture, and style in an instant. Drape it over your sofa or chair to create an inviting, cozy vibe that feels designer-level chic. Look for knits, faux fur, or woven patterns to add depth and contrast. Neutral tones work best for versatility, but don't be afraid to go bold with color if you want to make a statement. It's a small detail. but it makes a huge difference. Texture is key to warmth, but organization is key to elegance. Let's talk about the next styling secret. Secret 8. Use chic trays to organize and display. A tray can be a surprisingly stylish tool for organizing. Place it on your coffee table, counter, or bedside to corral items like candles, books, or remotes. This creates a curated look and keeps everything within reach. Choose trays with finishes like marble, metal, or wood for a sophisticated touch. You can add small decor items like a mini plant, a candle, or even a stylish book on top to keep the look fresh and inviting. Secret 9. Swap hardware for luxe finishes. Details make all the difference. Swapping out basic hardware on cabinets, drawers, or even doors for finishes like brushed gold, matte black, or nickel can instantly add luxury to your space. Consider this upgrade in the kitchen, bathroom, or bedroom to give these rooms a polished, cohesive look. Hardware may be small, but the impact is noticeable. Secret 10. Add a signature scent. Scent is often overlooked, but is key to setting a luxurious mood. Diffusers, scented candles, or incense sticks with calming scents like eucalyptus or lavender create an experience that feels expensive and welcoming, and it's an easy way to impress guests without them even realizing why. There you have it, 10 designer secrets to transform your space into a luxurious, stylish sanctuary without stretching your budget. By focusing on these small, affordable updates, you're creating a home that feels curated, personal, and truly sophisticated. Who knew $100 could go this far? If you're inspired and ready to bring these styling secrets to life, our team at Interiors by TA can help you design the space you've been dreaming of. Book an interior design consultation through our WhatsApp link on the end screen. Let's create a home that reflects your style, sophistication, and personality.